Okay, I picked 7. We are looking at the Sephora cream lip stains. These are a matte lip stain, and the first one I picked was 02. This is classic beige. I've put it on from the wand and then I'm going to blot it. It's up to you if you want to wear it full opacity, but I like to wear it quite sheer and then build up from there. So now I'm just going to tap in on the edges to make it nice and soft to see what I've got. And this is very, very pretty on its own, except I don't have a very nice lip line. So I'm actually going to use a lip brush and the same product and use it exactly as a lip liner to define the shape of my lips. That is very pretty and very soft. So that was 02, classic beige. These matte lip stains stay on for an eternity, so you're going to need a waterproof makeup remover to get them off. Let's go in with the second shade. This is 81, Daydreaming. This is a slightly more mauve nude. I absolutely love it. Again, I'm just using the colour as a liner. If you wanted to use a liner with this, you could use something like NYX Mauve. That would work very well. And that's it. The next one up is number 13, Marvellous Mauve. Now, if you go onto the website, the swatches don't look anything like the colours because they show them at full opacity. And you can see what I'm doing here is putting it on, blotting it, and then building it up along the edges. I find it much more comfortable to wear. It lasts just as long and it looks really, really elegant that way. If you struggle to use the product as liner, you can reverse line, which is what I'm doing here with a concealer on a brush. So just going around the lip and redefining the lip line from the outside in. And if you want a lip liner that works absolutely perfectly with this is Smoky Pink from Makeup by Mario, and what a liner it is. Big recommend. Right around now, you're probably thinking, what is this magical eyeshadow that works with all of these colours? It is the new Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette. I have used oneself. This one is Bling. And then I also use this shade Poised underneath the eye. Next up, we have 135 Mystic Purple. This is not an obvious choice for me. I think you're probably far more used to seeing me in the reds. However, I always loved like MAC Show Orchid and Heroine. They're actually really flattering, especially if you happen to have a neutral undertone. So that was 135 Mystic Purple. Did I mention these are £13.99? Okay, this is Plum Madness 134, and think Rouge Noir. It's very much like that. There's a lot of ways you can wear this. So I've blotted it and you can see it's absolutely gorgeous. And just working the same product as the liner, and that is a very elegant sort of red carpet shade lip. I love it. Or you can wear it at full opacity like this. It is going to dry off matte. I just wanted to try it with a little bit of gloss over the top, so blotting it and then over the top with a Huda Beauty Faux Filter, and the shade name is She Fire. That's quite gorgeous and quite Halloween actually. So off it comes and on to the next one. Oh, that is lovely. That's really nice. I love that blotted. Let's have another go. Honestly, this lip just gets better. I really love it. 94 Cherry Moon. Now, this one looks absolutely nothing like it looks in the packaging and absolutely nothing like the swatch on the website. So some of them come up quite differently. This one is super raspberry. So I'm actually loading it up with 2 coats, and that is really gorgeous. Very, very vibrant, and it doesn't look at all like it looks in the packaging. I've made a right mess taking that off. So I'm going to fix that up with a little bit of Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation. Okay, I felt like we needed to finish on a red. This one is 01 Always Red. And we are going to go full opacity with this. So all over the lip. We're going to make the lips really full, because you can do that with these mattes. Because they have absolutely no shine at all, you can really cheat your lip. Make sure you go all the way into the corners of the lip and use every single bit of available space to make the lip as full as you possibly can. Red is really great for making the lip full anyway. And you can see I'm using that concealer trick again as well, just to line from the outside. 01 Always Red. There you go, $13.99, transfer proof. I'll pop a little bit of Natasha Denona highlighter just on the apple of my cheek. All these products I will put in my stories. That's my husband home. He likes this makeup.